Hi, today is Monday 25th and this is the short weekly recap for the current trades. Here we see the November trade. Last week I took off the CCS on the upside just in case the market shoots up. I got it for 10 cents debit, which is quite reasonable. Now at this point it's quite unlikely that I will get more than 1%. The UEL is at 151 and of course I can try and pull a CCS here or even above and try and get to maybe $300 or more. A pullback would certainly help. I'm not counting on a sweet spot which would require market dropping to 4,300 or more, so it will probably be a PCS roll. I don't think this late I will add a combo like a broken butterfly at this point. And a 9 condor is still under consideration. That would probably, assuming the market drops and I get that good vol pop this week, it will probably be around 4,800 or lower, and I would then get rid of this one. So it would be probably something like this, just for interest's sake. I mean, probably not this one, but something like this. Then I would get not even $300, which, okay, I've got a 1.5 leverage, so I would get my 1%, but I would still like to get 1% on Reg T. So this is not exactly very palatable, but volatility has dropped a little more than anticipated. So if I show you the trade log, last week 18, I added a opportunistic PCS here, 41.50, 41.75, then PCS roll 38.75 up to 3900, and then 4200, 41.75. On the 22nd I dropped the call side. So really not very palatable, not very interesting, but safe enough because the market is certainly looking overbought and it could go higher. Actually going higher would make also the trading easier to manage. I would just have to drop this PCS here and then let it go. Now let's move on to December. December is in a fairly good shape, about $440 on the UEL. I'm losing or probably breaking even on the CCS side. My delta is reasonable. I still have, maybe I will get it this time, a bit of a sweet spot if the market drops. But there again, it's all depending on what's going on with earnings and the FOMC. Last week I just added a PCS that was opportunistic on Friday. That was the 4100, 4125 PCS. I said on Slack that I would probably put it as a risk reversal, bullish risk reversal trade, i.e. rolling the call credit spreads up by 25 points. That would cost probably 25 or 30 cents if I do that. Let me see what it would look like today. Yeah, 25 to 30 cents. I don't feel like doing it now, but that's something I keep up my sleeve at some point. Okay, not much else to say. We have January coming, 88 days. I know I entered December early, but this time, even though I've got probably 10K left, I will probably try over the next 2 weeks to reduce my November trade so that I can open the January trade soon. 2 weeks will be after FOMC, so hopefully we'll have more clarity at that point. Anyway, that is it for now. Thank you for watching, and if you're not on Slack, please join Slack. I mean, there are definitely more regular updates than these weekly videos. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.